Saudara, Amerika Serikat menurunkan tarif impor untuk barang masuk asal Indonesia ke negara tersebut. Dari sebelumnya 32% kini menjadi 19%. Namun sebagai balasan, pemerintah negeri Paman Sam mendapat akses penuh dan tidak dikenakan tarif impor sama sekali untuk barang masuk Amerika Serikat ke Indonesia.
So we made a deal with Indonesia. I spoke to their really great president, very popular, very strong, smart. And we made the deal. We have full access to Indonesia, everything. As you know, Indonesia is very strong on copper, but we have full access to everything. We will pay no tariffs. So they are giving us access into Indonesia, which we never had. That's probably the biggest part of the deal. And the other part is they are going to pay 19%, and we are going to pay nothing. I think it's a good deal for both parties. But we will have full access into Indonesia. And we have a couple of those deals that are going to be announced. India basically is working along that same line. We're going to have access into India. And you have to understand, we had no access into any of these countries. Our people couldn't go in. And now we're getting access because of what we're doing with the tariffs.